Welcome to this quick video on project health. As project and account managers, it is important to understand how all of your projects are flowing and what needs to be done to make sure projects are delivered on time and in form. In the projects list, COR provides easy insights about each project in real time. On the left-hand side are the project health indicators. These colorful faces signal how a project is going. The green face means that the project is running smoothly and will be on time and meet your profitability goals. The yellow face represents a delayed project completion. Profitability goals can still be met, but the project will likely be delivered past the expected delivery date. Finally, the red face indicates that the project will not reach your profitability goals. Each of these indicators will empower you to make decisions and adjust your projects accordingly to deliver excellent results.